this is part 2 of a two-part video where we're writing a program designed to calculate the day of the week, given any month, day, and year AD. I got the idea from an article I read on LightMind called How to Become a Human Calendar. And that article gives a formula that I'm using in this video, so I didn't come up with this on my own. It was from there. The link for that article is going to be in the description below so that you can read that and figure out what's going on for yourself. Alright, so let's take a look at what we've done. We've had the user input the date here, and we've calculated the century code, and we've then used that century code to calculate the year code. Alright, so now we have our year code. The formula is day of the week equals year code plus month code plus day mod 7. In between the two videos, I actually did a little bit of the coding. I wrote out this thing to figure out the month code, which is basically a series of if statements to figure it out. I also wrote the day thing to figure out what to print out depending on what day we get. All that's pretty easy to follow along. Just look at the formula and you'll see where I got all that from. It's not a whole lot of thinking involved with it, and it's a whole lot of typing. I didn't want to slow this video down with that. Let's pick back up. Public void. First we need to calculate. See, we have the year code. Let's calculate the month code. Calculate month code. We'll input we'll take in an integer called month, not month. We will take in the year code. We don't need the actual year anymore. Int year code. And we also need the day because we still haven't calculated that. Alright, and to calculate the month code, we'll set int month equal to 0 at the beginning. Oh, I'm sorry, they give us the month. So we do not need to do that. Alright, looks like I had a little bit of problem with my code there, but that's all fixed. So what this method is doing is it's saying, alright, if it's the 4th or 7th month, our month code is 0. If it's the 1st or 10th month, our month code is 1, and so on. And then I have a little catch-all down here at the bottom where if the month is greater than 12, well, there's only 12 months a year, and it just tells you to restart the program. Alright. Guess I could format this a little bit better. Alt Shift F or right click and do that. Because then I'll calculate month code method. Alright, so we have the month code and the year code. Now all we need is the day. So let's call another method. So public void calculate day. We'll pass in the month code. We'll pass in the year code. And we'll pass in the day. Alright, so day, let's see why I called it down here so I don't have to retype all this stuff. I just called it day. We'll copy that and get ready to paste it. So int day is equal to the year code plus the month code plus day, and that is all mod 7 because we just care about the remainder. We'll change this a little bit. Alright. So whenever I send this in, whenever I take it in, I'm actually going to call it day 1. And that's just because how I already wrote the code down there more. Little oversight I had is I called both of these day. So this time I typed it out 7 different times, so that is keeping the word day. Now all I need to do is call this method from the previous method. So let's see, we will call calculate day. We need to send in the month code, we need to send in the year code, and we need to send in the day. And that A shouldn't be capitalized. This is almost ready to run. The only thing I have to do up here is actually run it from the main. So day of week calculator Joey equals new day of week calculator. It'll be Joey dot and what I call the first method, get date. Joey dot get date. Alright, so whenever we run this, it should work. Going to pull up a calendar right here. So for 2015, on March 26th, we should get Thursday. So let's run this. And that's the day I'm writing this on. Enter date. So month would be 03. Day is 26 and year is 2015. So I forgot to, apparently I didn't do something right. I'm gonna pause this video while I track that down. Okay, I unpaused the video. Didn't change any of the code. All I did was find it in the meantime. Looks like we forgot to call in the next method from here. So calculate month code. Then it wants us to send in the month, the year code, and the day. And it wants the C there to be capitalized, so now it should work. We'll run with that same date. Enter date, month, day, day, and year. Day of the week is Thursday. Let's bring up that calendar and pick another rate. Let's go 1990. June 12th, 1990 should be a Tuesday. So June would be the 6th month, 12. I forgot what year I said I was going to do and what day it was, so alright, so June 12th in 1991, that's what we're going to care about. Should come with Wednesday, so if I type in 1991, I should get Wednesday. Day of the week is Wednesday. Alright, you can write this code out and test it for yourself. I'm pretty satisfied with mine. Think it's working well. A few things that we could have done differently is, could have checked to make sure it was a valid date up here in this method, but I didn't want to drag this out too long. I'm pretty happy with the way it's working. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any other ideas for other videos that you'd like to see, let me know and I'll try to get that done for you.